Go.
This here is a doorknob. These are screws that hold said doorknob in place. You extract screws A and B. Don't drop it on the floor. Striker, curved edge. Always goes towards strike plate. Always. Turn the knob around. This should take, I don't know, 5 minutes. If it takes 6 hours, bad. Okay. Turn her around. Put screw A back in slot A. Find the hole. You can kind of peek through this little slot here. Slot. Just kind of turn her in by hand there. And then B, other screw, goes in hole B. They won't be marked A and B, so you're just gonna have to guess. And you just kind of tighten them in there like so. Okay. Put your screw stick on there. Not a screw gun. No, it will scrape the edge off. Noted here. Tighten screws with said screw stick. A. And then B. Sometimes you might have to use your fingers. I know it's tough on people with fingernails and stuff. But and then you just kind of get her in there. It'd speed up the process for you, but we don't have fast imagery. Now, if it doesn't latch, which this one does, this is not to be turned around at any given point in time. Adjust strike plate for hitting. If you need any other videos on this kind of thing, look me up at doorknobsrus.tin.